Yo, bro, what's going on outside there? Hold on. What's going on outside there? Before the Janam don't want to give us 5 minutes. We can't get 5 minutes. Before they don't want to give us 5, fuck them. Before, we're not going home. Before,
How is Christmas tree still there? We are already in January. Carnival is up. Christmas tree is out there.
Police can stop us. Janam can stop us.
It was. What's up? Welcome. I have to get to the motion because I'm speaking slowly. Back to the mall. We're gonna see Manu. Left him do his shopping. 10:50, and we're going to the atelier. Big up le Manu là. Posé, homme d'affaires. Ok, mystère. You know, only let them talk. Show you my bag. What's in the bag? Oh, I think I'm going to do what's in my bag back to the atelier. So, go, man. Let's go, brother. We good. Got on the denim one leg. You know, dressed up for cold because outside cold. Start for friends or vibe. What's up? Donc on va faire what's in my bag. Yo, the laces just crashed out 10 minutes ago, but that's okay. Still a vibe. So, what's in my bag? You know, another glasses, classic, needed. Then, you know, an essential, the denim butterfly blue, you know, patchwork, jean on jean. Once again, you know, some fabrics. Because by the way, today we're in a project, we're in a day in a life with a client, and then we headed to the atelier. So always needed some fabrics in case you need a new outfit for a moment. Elastic for the clients, you know. Some thread, and you know, always have like a toilet bag in your bag. So that's it. It's too much. Ça complété, ouais. Bon, du coup, il est 11h. We headed back to the atelier. Then let's see what do we have. Meilleur cooking time. Then
Inch'Allah.
qui beat, hein. Okay, live from the kitchen of the atelier. Yes, the boy making the chicken. Yeah, some potatoes. Yeah, man. Listening to DJ MG. Shout out DJ MG. Ah, oh. Yes.
This is Cesar. Okay. We got the black gel. Come on, that's it. I'm gonna go now. Come on. Hey. Let's hear it about something. We got the advantage of time. Welcome to the cabinet. Ashiva, Ashiva, Ashiva. By who decided?
Ah, oh. Oh, Ashiva. I really Shiva.
Tony. I rock you like that. I rock you like that. I rock you like that. I lick you like that. I rock you like that. I rock you like that. I rock you like that. Let me tell that story right now. Wow. I fought last night. I fought the night before.
On met de là à dans son sac.
ça, on laisse sauce là à côté.
Yeah. Présentation.
Non mais regardez ça, regardez ça.
La santé mondiale diminuée, mais investir dans des outils et innovations efficaces pourrait transformer ceci en cela. Quand il s'agit de sauver la vie d'enfants,
Ok, finito pipo. Et regardez-moi ce chef-d'œuvre. Bon app. On va connaître famille là.
Sur le vénère pour servir le français qui... Félix Gobert, est-ce qu'il y va tout seul? Oh oui. Il s'est joué avec Sosa pour venir claquer ce dunk.
Satisfait ou pas?
Oui.
Ok,
Satisfait.
ok. Bon, il est 17h. Il nous reste la pièce à monter parce que tout à l'heure...
Des petites finitions.
Ouais, des petites finitions. Là, c'est juste pour qu'il soit plus à l'aise. Donc on finit, ensuite on se pose. Hein.
Why can't I take up your energy? Man, I step on me some shit, alright? Oh, when it comes to say you never made love, but it says you maybe get it soon. Like, if you wanna bring a friend, so you get it too. I'm the real deal, bitch, real spell, all the names on the tune. Like, damn, had this in the room.
Pas mauvais du tout. Yeah, man. Yeah, dirty crocs, but yeah. A whole vibe I tell you. Wearing a tom on the tail is a vibe. Tell the world.
Tu n'as pas même. Tu vois ça qui m'a prouvé une chèque. Tomate Dethelot. Tomate Dethelot. So what could it?
Keep it.
mon pote. Le bitume ça flemme, les têtes à la chaîne et son goût me rentait. La ville a DUE mon pote, ça arrête la RUE mon pote. Je traîne plus solo qu'en bonne, et pour tout, pas besoin du gang.
Vous avez?
Petit sac là quand il est là. Ouais, tu vas mettre un petit pépite là.
That is it. Non?
Ah ouais.
Ok, c'est carré. Bon, maintenant, he go back home, so
Yeah, you know.
let's drove him back.
You know what I'm saying? Go back home, you know.
Du coup, maintenant, journée finie, il est 18h45. Du coup, le frérot, il rentre. Voici une journée avec Thomas Dethelot. Une journée quand on passe commande avec Thomas Dethelot.
Bien pour.
Voilà.
Petit sac qui va avec.
Voilà, quand on passe commande,
Ça va quoi?
there's always a vibe. Oh, what's up? We out.
Going to the airport, you know.
Going to the airport. South of France airport. Crazy in the morning.
I'm coming, bro.
Yeah. So we going back to the snow, man.
Yeah, go to Paris, bro. What
Bro,
the fuck?
Paris with snow is crazy.
Yeah.
Paris with snow is crazy. But yo, my outfit is mad too. I ain't gonna lie. Remember, that one leg is good. That boy passing the Christmas tree in 2026. The boy is a visionary boy. Boy. Yeah man. Second Christmas of the year. Going in. What's it? Ah oui. So, vlog is finished. Spend the whole day with this outfit. I ain't gonna lie. I kinda like it. So, follow me on Instagram and